The complete details about the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, including specs, colors, features, and more, have now been fully revealed. Even the Galaxy Unpacked event details have leaked, indicating the introduction of Galaxy AI, which matches previous speculations. The event is scheduled for January 18, 2024. Starting with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it boasts a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X Quad HD Plus display with an impressive 2600 nits of brightness. The main camera is a 200-megapixel sensor capable of shooting 8K video. The space zoom feature remains, offering up to 100x zoom despite having a 5x optical zoom. Samsung employs a marketing strategy similar to Apple, highlighting the quad telephoto range from 2x to 10x with lossless quality at certain ranges. The device also includes 12 GB of RAM, options of 256 or 512 GB storage, and 25-watt fast charging that can charge the 5000 mAh battery from 0 to 65% in 30 minutes. Notably, it's the first Samsung phone to feature titanium sides, IP68 water resistance, and an integrated S Pen. The S24 and S24 Plus models come with 6.7-inch and 6.2-inch displays respectively, both offering 2600 nits of brightness. The S24 Plus has a Quad HD Plus resolution similar to the Ultra, while the S24 has a Full HD Plus resolution. They share the same 50-megapixel main camera with 8K video capability and up to 30x space zoom. The dual telephoto lens system offers 2x and 3x zoom levels. The S24 Plus matches the Ultra's RAM and storage options, whereas the S24 offers 8 GB of RAM and starts with 128 GB of base storage, also available in a 256 GB variant. The S24 Plus has similar fast charging capabilities to the Ultra, and the S24 has a slightly slower charging speed with a 4000 mAh battery. Both models feature Armor Aluminum 2.0 and IP68 resistance. Standard across all models are the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, dynamic lock screen with AI, smart keyboard with AI integration, and security features protected by Knox. Surprisingly, there's no mention of the XMS 2400 expected in a few key markets for the S24 and S24 Plus. Official renders of the S24 Ultra, S24 Plus, and S24 have also been leaked, showcasing their premium design with flat, slim bezels and a sleek appearance. Despite the comprehensive leak, Samsung is expected to maintain the pricing of the S22 series for the new models, according to recent rumors. These updates represent significant improvements, especially for those upgrading from the S21 or S22 series.